The Ford Performance by Borla Touring Cat-Back Exhaust with black tips is available for the 2015 or newer 5-liter F-150 owner who's looking to get a slightly more aggressive rumble over their factory sound while picking up the highest quality materials and construction available with a dual side exit style. The installation for this isn't too hard at all, but it might require one small cut to the extension pipe, which is included in the kit depending on your bed length and cab size combo. Either way, I'm still giving it 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, which I'll talk more later on in the video. First things first, let's break down the sound this catback puts out. As you heard from our sound clips, this gives you a slightly louder, slightly more aggressive rumble over the stock sounds. It definitely makes a difference, it deepens the tone, but because it's not a crazy aggressive system, I'm giving it 2 out of 5 on our loudness meter. The touring option from Borla is known to be more on the mellow side of the spectrum, which is perfect for anyone who doesn't want overwhelming volume or tone and doesn't want any drone inside the cab at all. The Ford Performance by Borla option is hands down offering the highest quality materials and the best construction available in the category, along with other brands like Cook's and Stainless Works. This option is fully welded 304 stainless steel for extreme strength, which is where the biggest upgrade over the stock one comes into play. That stock option, although is very durable, won't hold up as long as this one will, especially if you plan on hitting the trails or if you live in a wintry weather area that sees a lot of road salt, which we know can take a toll on your underbody components after a while. This option also includes 4-inch black powder-coated dual tips that will exit out behind the rear passenger side tire for a stealthier appearance and adds another layer of corrosion and rust resistance with that powder-coated finish. Since this is one of the better quality systems, the price is set right around the $1,200 range for the full catback, which look, I get it, it's a pretty steep price, but if you're looking for the best of the best, then the price is absolutely worth it because you know what you're getting here. There are other Ford Performance by Borla options available like the Stinger S-Type, which is a more aggressive sound with a little more volume and growl, or the Attack, which is arguably one of the loudest systems money can buy. So if this sound isn't enough for you, then those would be my recommendations. You'd still get the same quality. The installation, as I mentioned in the beginning, may require you to cut the extension pipe included in the kit depending on your bed length and wheelbase package, and all of that is detailed completely in your manual to help you if that stage is required. Other than that, it's a direct bolt-on install, getting 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter here since it is so straightforward. You want to have a simple ratchet and socket set on deck to get the job done, as well as some WD-40 for the bolts and hangers, and obviously a sawzall or a cutting tool of your choice if you need to get that done. Now with that said, if you're not super comfortable tackling this yourself, there's no problem or no shame handing it over to a professional to get done properly. The first thing you'll need to do is unbolt and loosen the clamps at the stock muffler and remove the muffler inlet pipe. Slide the muffler and tailpipe toward the rear and out of the isolators, which is where you might want to spray some WD-40 to help you in case they're being a little stubborn. From here you can install your touring muffler piece and the proper mid-extension pipe, clamp them all down, and obviously secure them into place. The tailpipes will connect to the other end of the mufflers and work their way toward the dual exit style by the rear passenger tire. Once the tips are bolted down, which actually are welded to the pipes, so the entire pipe will get bolted down in one piece, then of course you're good to go. You'll obviously have a few nuts and bolts also included, as well as clamps, everything you need to get the job done, and of course rely on those instruction manuals if you need to make the cut. If that is the case, just remember to measure twice and cut once, since obviously you only get one shot at it. With all that said, that just about wraps this one up. So if you're the owner of a 2015 or newer 5-liter F-150, you might want to check out the Ford Performance by Borla Touring Cat-Back Exhaust with black tips and a dual side exit style, which you can find right here at AmericanTrucks.com.